Okay, you picked on the 30th anniversary wooden Rubik's Cube. It's just a regular 3x3. For the special 30th anniversary of the Rubik's Cube, they made cube out of wood, and the stickers are clear, translucent plastic type, so you can see right through it, still see the wood details. Oh, and this can double as part 2 of my wooden cube review, or that I did earlier. Yes, it is totally fine to take it apart, like so, and spray some lubricant on it, and let it dry, and it will flow much more smoothly, as I will demonstrate. Here's my timer. Start.
And you're moving in some side area.
Well, we have no choice. We can't keep it anyway.
It's 107. Not fantastic, but not that bad either.
$3 a day.